Alright guys, here we are today. I've done a second wet sanding after putting some primer on, 800 grit, and we wet sanded the whole thing. Wanted to see how it was going to look. I forgot to take care of that little spot right there, so obviously it's going to be it's going to have to be taken care of. And here's going down the side. Let me put some water on there. There we go. And so you can kind of get an idea of what it'll look like when it's got, you know, several layers of gloss on it and it's polished. So this is the body work here. Oh, and we went ahead and we primered up in here. We're still really not worried about this. This is all hidden by tail lights and stuff. You would never even see it, so we're not worried about it. The only area that I wasn't really that happy with was this little area right here where it didn't necessarily follow through right here. So it's kind of a little flat right there where it should follow through like this. And I talked with my son about it, and he said, look, I'd just rather have the car to drive. Unless you're actually looking for that, you're not going to see it except by mistake. So I think we're going to let it go. We still have things up front to do. We've worked on it this weekend and smooth things out. And let's see. And so this is what we have to do here. We have to finish taking off all the old primer. Gee, I don't know if you can even see that with the sunlight and everything. Maybe, but there's some checks and cracks where the old primer is starting to separate a little bit. It's either old or what, I don't know. But it's going to come off anyways. We just hadn't got to it, and we're going to finish doing some spot fixes and blendings and stuff up in here. So, well, that's the weekend's update. I know I haven't put anything up on this in at least a couple weeks, something like that, so I thought I would let you know. We still have a little bit more to do up under the wheel well. We'll probably get to that maybe today, maybe next week, I don't know. 60% chance rain tomorrow. So this is where we're at, and I thought I'd just give you guys who are following it a quick update. So a little shout out there to Alfaro 380, who's made a couple comments, even gave me a phone call or a text, and thanks. I appreciate your support and your nice comments. I'll leave a link to his little website. He's got like 4 videos up, but really cool guy, and he's working on a 2003 CTS too. Maybe you can put some videos up of your work too, bud. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll keep you posted on what's going on, and God bless you all, and keep on you out. Bye.